Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, I have a super cool one for you guys. We're going to be taking a look at this new Humixx 5-in-1 shockproof case for the iPhone. Now this comes with pretty much everything you need, a tempered glass screen protector, camera lens protector, and more. So let's crack this open and see what we've got. So a nice clean white box with a little bit of an engraving here on the top. Let's open it up and see what we've got. I want to give a big thank you and shout out to Humixx for sponsoring this video and sending this out free for us to take a look at. So let's slide it out here. Nothing else in the box, so we can set that to the side. And this is what we're presented with. We've got the case right here. We've also got not one, but two screen protectors included. We also have two camera lens protectors. One of them looks like it slipped out of this little packet here, but there we go, two of those. And we've also got two installation toolkits here, which come with everything you need to apply these screen protectors. So let's first do that. But before we apply the screen protector, let's go ahead and take a look at the case itself just to see what we've got. And here it is. This is a nice smoked back finish. As you guys can see, you can see through it, but it has a nice smoky finish. And something's up close, you can see it right through. So we should be able to see the Apple logo when we put this on. This is a hard plastic on the back here, though it is soft to the touch. And then the sides here are more of a squishy rubber, but they are pretty rigid. That should give a lot of drop protection. According to their listing, this is 12-foot military grade shockproof, and it says that it survived 8,000 plus drop tests at over 12 feet. So we are going to drop test this case later today in this video. So let's go ahead and see what else we've got. We'll pull out one of the screen protectors and we can inspect it for quality here. There it is. This looks like a pretty high quality screen protector. So we will check that out. And then here is the camera lens protector. Right here it says ultra thin tempered glass. So this will go on the back right over the camera lens to kind of protect those a little bit extra. And then of course we will use one installation toolkit for all of this. We also have duplicates of all this in case we mess up or in case one breaks down the line. We've got plenty so that we are set for hopefully the lifetime of this phone. Let's go ahead and put these on. All right guys, so first things first, I'm gonna set the case to the side here and I'm going to put on the screen protector first because I like to do that before I put on cases. So let's see what we've got in this installation toolkit. All right, so it looks like we've got a dust absorbing sticker right here. We've also got wet wipes and a microfiber. I think, oh, there's one more thing. So that could be the static paper, and here are the sticky labels that you can use as well. So we've got pretty much everything we need. Looks like we can scan here to get instructions, but I put on many of these in my time, so I think we'll be all right. So let's go ahead and start getting this prepped. The first thing that I like to do is use a wet wipe just to get any of the grime off the phone. And wow, this has a lemony fresh scent. I can tell they put a lot of alcohol in this, which is great because this is going to really clean the phone off. So we're going to just wipe it down, get all the grease, all the fingerprints off with this. All right, there we go. Next, I like to use the included microfiber here just to dry it off as well as get any residual dust off, any big pieces. As you guys can see, there are quite a few because I am in a dusty studio here, but let's go ahead and get this all off. It is feeling super smooth. There we go. Looking almost perfect. But the next step here is to actually use either this sticker or one of these sticky labels to go ahead and take some of the tiny microscopic dust off. So this is actually a static cling piece, and you guys can see here, this will pull up any of those residual little pieces of dust, which is exactly what you want. You want to get rid of those. And if you haven't done so already, I usually power off my phone first thing. So just because it makes it a little easier here, you guys can see that is a perfect looking phone. I think we're ready to put on the screen protector. All right, so for the screen protector, it looks like you just pull this off here and it exposes the side here where you can apply it. So then you just take your phone very gently, and I think we've got it there. We will just let it do its thing. It's probably the most satisfying part, watching that glue stick down. I guess it's kind of more of a static glue, but there it goes. And we got one little bubble there. We'll push that out, and just like that, a perfect installation. Let's go ahead and get some of this dust off. This is on the outside of the screen protector, not on the screen protector itself, or at least not under it. That is a flawless install. That looks so good. Let's go ahead and test out the screen protector real quick. I'm gonna power it back up here. All right, so we are powered back up here, and look at that. A flawless install of this screen protector. I'm super happy with that. And this screen protector is also very nice to use because a lot of them that I've used, they're a little rough down here and you have to swipe up all the time, to get to your apps. This one is very smooth, so I do not feel any rough edges. I really appreciate that. So Screen protector is a go. Let's go ahead and put on the back camera lens screen protector next. I'm actually going to use the same wet wipe here. It's still got some juice left in it. And I'm going to clean the camera lenses because I have never put on a back camera lens screen protector before. So I'm going to clean these off really good, make sure that they're sparkling, and then I'm going to dry it off with the microfiber, just get rid of any of that dust. Of course, this is all included in this kit, so you've got everything you need, looking shiny. So let's set that down, grab the camera screen protector right here. Camera protector, I guess. Peel it right off. And I'm going to go ahead and set it right on top here and then push it down like so. And that should be it. That is all there is to it. That looks really good. As you guys can see, it doesn't really add any bulk necessarily, maybe just a tiny bit, but it totally covers all of the camera lenses, and it also gives you a black ring around your flash, which is great so you don't get flashback issues. And as you guys can see, the camera is looking great. No issues there. You can take pictures, no glare, no nothing. It looks perfect. You really cannot tell that there is a protector on top of this. And the best part is this also smooths it out. So instead of there being a bunch of different bumps and stuff on the back here, you don't have to worry about it. You can just set your phone down and that is all good. But now the best part, we are going to put this into their super protective case here. So here's what it looks like on the inside. Go ahead and stick the phone in. I am super excited to see what this looks like. There we go. The phone is now inside the case and you can barely see that Apple logo in there. It looks super stealth. This looks absolutely amazing. This is the gold iPhone 13 Pro with this black case. I think it looks really good. So you got this black bezel here around the side that fits absolutely perfectly with their screen protector. You get a little bit of razivity here. So if you set your phone down, you don't really have to worry about the screen protector getting damaged, and especially your screen is not getting damaged. It still has enough razivity with the screen protector to give you a little bit of lift, which is perfect. And then on the side here, your volume button actually has a little bit of a grip on it. So you can easily find your power button. Let's give it a click. But it is nice and clicky. And then on this side, you also have grip on these volume up and down. You got a nice cutout for your mute switch. And then on the bottom here, perfect cutouts, no issues at all. Now on the back, we have almost a tiny bit of razivity right here, just enough that fits perfectly with this camera protector. And of course, you don't have to worry about setting it down at all. This also means that it's pretty much flush on the back. It is almost completely flush. If you like to type like this while your phone's on your desk, it will not be wobbling anymore, which is absolutely amazing that they were able to engineer that. And then taking a quick look at the details around the sides of this, you do have these grip marks right here, which are great for when you're holding the phone. It fits kind of right into your palm and gives you extra grip so you don't drop your phone. The sides are nice and smooth. Overall, this has to be one of my favorite translucent cases with the smoked out back. I have the gold phone and it looks great, which means it will probably look good with any color iPhone, just because it just lets a little bit of color show on the camera area. So yeah, overall, this is a win. This package gives you everything. Next step, let's go ahead and drop test it. All right, guys, here we go. We've got the case with everything installed. Just as before, I'm going to do 3 different drop tests. The first one is going to be like out of your pockets. The second one is going to be head height. And the third one is going to be above my head. So let's go ahead and see how it does. All right, guys, the first drop test from the pocket. All right, guys, now we are going to simulate a drop from the head height. And let's see, is there any damage here? No, absolutely nothing. Not even a scratch. Nothing on the front, nothing on the sides. Absolutely perfect condition. All right, guys, now last up, I'm going to do one above my head. This is way higher than probably anyone would drop their phone, but I'm gonna do it anyways for you guys, just to prove that my phone is not going to break. This case feels very solid and I feel super confident doing this. I'm going to drop it above my head. And just for reference, I'm about 5'11", so it's probably 6 or 7 feet high. So let's go ahead and do this. I have 2 different cameras set up, this one and another one, to get this shot. Above the head drop in 3, 2, 1. All right, now let's quickly inspect for damage, and there is not a scratch on this. I'm gonna bring this phone back to the studio so we can inspect it some more, but there is not anything on this phone, not even a scratch. So this is pretty amazing, guys. Let's go ahead, take it to the studio and put it under the bright lights and take an even more in-depth look. All right, guys, so we are back in and taking a look at this. There is literally no damage to the phone. It is absolutely amazing. I don't usually do drop tests because I usually don't trust cases, but this has pretty much everything. It's got the camera protector, the screen protector, and the case itself. So I knew that this had pretty much almost a 0 chance of it breaking. And as you can see, it's in perfect condition. I mean, I can't even see, I expected to see something along one of the corners, but even the corners, I am not seeing any damage. This case and screen protector combo is a win, especially for the price. It's hard to beat. So I'll have links to this product down below if you guys want to check it out for yourself. Again, big thank you and shout out to Humixx. I'm glad we got to take a look at it because this case is a beast. That's all I got for this one, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.